everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and I've got Toyl Time of Your Life subscription box, and this is their November subscription. My address is on the back here. If you're new to Toyl, then carry on watching. I'll just give you some information about the subscription. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside their November box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Time of Your Life is a monthly subscription box for women 35 years and older. It is based in the UK and currently only ships within the UK. The cost of the box is £35 a month, and that includes free shipping. And inside you'll receive skincare, hair care, makeup, body care, nail care, and everything beauty related, especially for women of our age group. Karen, the founder of Toyl, wanted to create a subscription box that was a little bit different. A box specifically for midlife women who not only want quality treats each month, but products that work for them from a source that tells them how to use it for game-changing results. Karen is also an award-winning beauty blogger and writer of Time of Your Life book, which is an Amazon bestseller, as well as running a subscription box. They have a YouTube channel, Instagram page, etc. They post up videos related to these boxes and sometimes interviews with the brands that feature inside as well. From the 18th onwards, you are able to view what is inside the following month's box on their social media sites. And if you are a regular subscriber and you feel next month's box is not for you, you are able to pause your subscription for that month, which I thought was really great. This book is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. They have given me a £5 off your first box code, which is geek. I'll pop that down below in my description, as well as links to the subscription and any other boxes they have available on their websites. You'll find all that down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside their November box. So inside you find a little leaflet. Ooh, back to front. And it details everything about the products, plus it gives you a value. So this month's box comes in at £101.94. So I'll refer to this as we go along. You might not be able to see much there, but I'll go through it one by one in detail. Welcome to your November box. It's makeover time. These gorgeous makeup products are the best to help you look amazing. Strong lip, fluttery lashes, glowing skin, softened lines. You will wow your friends with how fabulous you look this party season. And it mentions on the back here that all throughout November, Karen will be posting videos on her YouTube channel demonstrating how to use these products, how they will work for all skin tones, etc. So definitely follow along for more information. Okay, so first up, we've got a lipstick by Lord & Berry. This is in shade Vogue, and it's a matte lipstick. Oh wow, 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 wow. Very similar to the colour I'm wearing today. I love pink lipstick. I absolutely love it. I don't like pale pink. I love a bright fuchsia, and a little bit different as well, because normally when we see makeup boxes, we normally get red, don't we? But yeah, oh, that is beautiful. Even though I've got ginger hair, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care about the clashing. Yeah, that is stunning. Really, really happy with that. So the recommended retail price for this lipstick is £17. It's party time and I want drama on your lips. Bold colours look incredible on midlife women, and I've chosen fuchsia to complement the bold red we tried in January. This lipstick offers full-on colour with moisture. Moisturised lips, one coat of lipstick, seal in with some translucent powder, second coat, blot, and you should be good all night. So that's the first item in the box. Next up, we've got a product by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is Ultra Glow Highlighting and Bronzing Palette. Outer packaging looks like. And, ooh, I'll just take this away. So we've got a mirror down there. And those are the shades there. So a bronzing and highlighting palette. So we've got one matte bronzer. I'll do a bit of a swatch there. So you've got hidden down there by my bracelet. You can see the palest one there. Then that's the matte bronzer. That's a really shimmery highlighter. I'm more likely to go for that one down there. What can I tell you? So the recommended retail price for this palette is £28.99. 3 different mineral highlighters to suit all skin tones and 1 shading powder. A dust to glow on cheeks, collarbones and décolletage is de rigueur for midlifers who don't overdo it. A dust is all we need. Yeah, absolutely. No accentuating fine lines here. No. The shading powder isn't so much for contouring as warming up the face around the hairline, particularly if we have silver grey hair, but hold back on how much you use. It's just to warm up skin, not to look tanned. So that's the second item in the box. Next up, we've got a Lord & Berry, a Skin Control Mattifying Blurring Powder. Now this intrigues me because I thought this was a blush. And it might well be. Okay. Ooh! In my head, I was thinking it's a blurring powder. It's not, it's a blurring primer. Oh, that's why it feels more creamy and not powdery, what I was expecting. But yeah. So a blurring primer. I'm not going to be able to see anything. I'm just trying to, it feels amazing. It feels super, super soft on the skin. I was trying to see if it blurs. What have I got there? Oh, bruises. I was trying to see if it blurs some of the pores there. Why is it pink? This incredible product is the best to give a soft focus look to the skin. It has a recommended retail value of £36. This works on any skin tone. I know it looks pink, but it's actually colourless, and I know how that sounds, but it is. Yeah. Use this under makeup to soften lines and extend how long your makeup will last. Apply it over moisturiser. Let it sink in for a few minutes before applying foundation or tinted moisturiser. It will make you look amazing. What I would love to have seen with that is an applicator. So maybe a little sponge applicator. Because I think putting it on with your fingers, I don't know, you've got more control I suppose. Normally a primer is in liquid form, so it's easy to blend around your face. But this is a solid primer. You feel it, it feels so, so nice. It does feel nice. So I'll see how that goes actually. I'll try it with my fingers first and maybe use it in just certain areas, or I'm more inclined to seek out a sponge and to apply it like that onto my face, or even a brush, Yeah, I haven't seen that before. I've tried lots of different products from Lord & Berry before, but no, that's a first. There's that. Next up, we've got a product from Code Beautiful. This is a volumizing lengthening mascara, and I would say 12 mils. It's basically full size. Packaging. And that's the wand there. I think I've tried this before. I think I have. Or am I thinking of Code Beautiful, maybe a mascara primer I've tried before. The recommended retail price is £19.95. The search is over. This is it. This is the best mascara you will ever use in my opinion, and I have 3 of these on the go at any one time. Volumizing and lengthening is exactly what we want to open eyes up. Use a lash curler before applying and you'll have maximum drama without any need for eyeshadow. So there's that. Then they've added in a extra treat. This is Vita Liberata Heavenly Elixir Advanced Tinted Tanning Elixir in shade medium for face and body, and there's 30 mils here. And it says, this is your freebie. This brand new organic tanning product is the best for legs and arms this party season. It's a mini tester, so if you want to trial it, there's probably 1 application's worth in it. Exfoliate in the shower and apply overnight. It takes 8 hours to develop, and this size is worth £5, 5p. So those are all the products inside this month's Toyl subscription box. I'll just go through them all and I'll do a bit of a recap. So first up, we've got a Lord & Berry lipstick in shade Vogue. We've got a Bella Pierre Ultra Glow bronzer and highlighting palette. We've got a Lord & Berry mattifying blurring face primer. We've got a Code Beautiful lengthening volumizing mascara in shade black. And lastly, as an added extra, we've got a Vita Liberata tanning elixir. The cost of this subscription box is £35 and it has a value of £101.94. And this month it's all to do with makeup. So if you want to follow along for information about how to apply these products, make sure to follow Toyl YouTube channel, which I'll link down below in my description. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this subscription? Do you subscribe to Toyl? Or are you watching this for the first time wondering if this is for you or not? If you've tried the mattifying primer before, please let me know what you think of it and how best to apply it. I'll be watching Karen's YouTube videos to see how she applies it, so I'm intrigued about that. So yeah, so thanks for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.